Well, good morning, you guys. What's today? Today is February 22nd. I'm going to have a fun, girly beach day with my friends Kelsey and Madison, who you probably remember from my New Year's vlog. Definitely go check that video out if you haven't yet. But I already did my makeup. I don't know if I like it, but it is what it is. My hair is up, but I also don't know if I like this. I might take it down and put it in braids. I'm undecided. But I do need some help picking an outfit today, and I have a slight idea of what I might wear, but I'm not sure yet. I want to wear this necklace, this ribbon necklace that I kind of made. Like, I just put this charm on a piece of ribbon, and I feel like it's giving Vanessa from The Little Mermaid. Like, it's giving Sea Witch, I'm here to steal your voice and your man kind of vibes. And I'm wearing this little black swimsuit. It's a one piece, simply because I just prefer one pieces. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this swimsuit. I think I wanna wear it with this long lace maxi skirt, but I wanna accessorize a little bit with like this belt. I don't know, I'm gonna put all of this on and then see how it turns out and show you guys the deal. So let's try it on real quick. Okay, this is the fit. I like most of what's going on. I'm just a little unsure about the belt, but I feel like the belt kind of adds something to it that it didn't have before. I think I'm just gonna stick with this fit, go with the flow. I'm using the e.l.f. Lip Shine in the Black Cherry dupe from Clinique. All right, final look. Is this beach appropriate? Am I gonna be the baddest witch at the beach? Let's hope so. I changed my hair because I decided that that bun was just like not it. So I did a little half claw clip, half up, half down situation, and I feel much better. It's a sleigh, she's a sleigh. Before I go to the beach, I have to go to Madison's and pick her up and pick Kelsey up. We're just gonna have the most magical beach day. I'm very excited. I love going to the beach. I feel very connected to the ocean. It's really good for your spirit and your soul, and I really need that right now, so. I'm getting out of this fucking town. The thing about Florida too is absolutely no one here knows how to drive, so. But this is kind of a vibe. Oh my god, it's like you're in the car with me. Can't wait to go to Publix. It's just so Florida core. That's how I cope by being here. I just tell myself things are Ethel core. Lighting is good. I'm recording. Madison, like, why are you so much like smaller than me in the frame?
Smaller?
You're like way down here. You look like my child.
Your seat is pulled up and mine's
Yeah,
not.
because I'm a short bitch. I can't see over the steering wheel. Can't see shit.
Do that, 'cause I'm like,
That's just what happens when you have like Barbie
you're
legs.
short, yeah.
It's like I'm a Polly Pocket, bitch. You can't see.
Yeah. You sent me Kelsey sent me
Fucking Deftones edit.
Kelsey sent me a Deftones thirst trap of Pedro Pascal on TikTok.
I literally laughed at that comment for like so long.
Like I was like, you're sending me this late at night.
Yeah.
Like,
You know what's up?
like
No, but ever since you said you wanted to fuck Pedro Pascal, he's all over my For You page. My algorithm picks up on it.
And then we're gonna do that. And then do we like arugula?
Yeah! Arugula! Claps for arugula! Arugula is
Bella
so
is
good.
making my sandwich. Like,
My name is Bella Hadid.
Wow. Chef Kelsey killed it.
Look at that.
Not only are you going to start an ASMR channel, but you're also going to start a foodie channel.
The mukbang, the mukbang.
What time is it, ladies?
Diet Coke o'clock.
Yes, it's Diet Coke o'clock. We needed Diet Coke.
You want me to get my show?
They took the cheese.
There's an army of them and they want the sandwich. Just grab it and go.
Hey, stupid. Are you dumb?
We're in Australia. We're on the beaches in Australia. It's beautiful here.
Seriously though.
What does a girl have to do to enjoy her pina colada in peace?
Paradise Grill.
That is so Lana Del Rey vinyl.
I love her new album, Paradise Grill.
Are y'all ready for Did You Know That My Father Stood on Top of His Grandfather's Shoulders to Go Ice Fishing? You know, that's a song title on her album.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
I was like, are you fucking with me? But it also
No, it
makes
really
sense.
is. I think I got it a little wrong though. I
Well,
don't
she
think
keeps
it's
like
completely
making
right.
these fucking song names, and they're like, my brother Sean died of leukemia on the beach in Florida in the winter of December.
I love her though. I love her though. I love her though.
She's a Bud Light girl? There's two types of girls in the world. PBR girls and Budweiser girls.
And pina colada girl.
And then Pina Colada girls. Pina Colada girls.
I'm literally so happy right now. I was trying not to, but it just kept happening.
I'm widowy on the beach right now.
I literally can't believe it.
That was so much earlier.
Sea swallow me, Aphrodite, a deity, divine feminine slice of heaven, warm from the Florida sun, I, your chosen one. Leave a trace of love, eyes that stun, gaze to the Holy One. A song fatally sung, sirens haunting, taunting, red tide to horizon. Shamefully alluring, your very daughters, girlhood beckoning. Is anyone listening? Sea swallow me, Aphrodite. Your tragedy bodes well with me. Your sweet devotion, magical ocean, mysterious, a focal point, bottomless, gaping, trapping, like the facets of my beauty.
She looks just like Lana Del Rey.